Okay, so this part 2 of the video of the review of the Ring pump. So we've got our friend's not here, so you say hello.
Hello.
So his sister's here doing the recording. So this is how you say it. So this is, so to do this is 2.7 bar for the front part. We're demonstrating this. We've got this bit you screw on there. Focus there, that screws on. So people say it's a bit of a faff, but what you do is unscrew that, get the, you make these, here, pay attention. There. It's a bit messy here, so what you do, take your normal dust cap off, and then just screw this on. Like so, it's a bit of mass here, it's really right here, because the ones that, those latch things that go on. Just have to screw on, which is a bit of a bigger. Maybe we'll line up, so you screw it on there, and it then will show you go back to there. Just screw it on, and then that's 2.3, so maybe 2.7. So you can do kilopascals or PSI or bar. But on my inside where it shows you how much you're in the pump on the car, it's a 2.7 bar. So we're going to press this. Dirty car, you get washed. And when you get 2.7, just switch it off and you just unscrew. Dust cap on. And then here's the thing. Like I said before, this is a bit of a faff. The other one, which we showed you, the old more expensive one, you can just reel it all up and then you push this in here. With this one, you have to push the tubing for the air and the power cord, which is the cigarette lighter thing. This bit, you have to push it in and shove it in here. Where you have a reel on the other one that we have, which is more expensive but far cheaper. This is about, the other one is about £27, this is £16 I think, so £10 cheaper. But it's going to keep long term, I don't know. You've got the bits that come off, they come off there somewhere. Those bits that I showed before. And that's nothing to clip off, they fall off. You know, that's for inflating, you know, inflatable things, isn't it? Yeah? So, what do you think? Is it alright?
Yeah.
Is it okay? There's no light with this one as well, but I don't know if you use the light really. So it works pretty quick, it's done the job. Always keep your tyre pressure right. These are good tyres as well. All season, Michelin. I'm not doing Michelin, not all season Michelin, did another one. Continental all season, they might be quite good. All season contract, and the bare ones are Michelin, really good. All season tyres are good to get. Really work all season, winter, summer, everything. You know, you have to swap summer, winter tyres over, and summer tyres you should use in winter if not safe, especially if you live somewhere it rains a lot. Tread's really deep, really good. Anyway, so should we finish then?
Yeah.
So I think it's, for the price it's worth it. Maybe next time I should have invested in more prices on, because if you're going to keep something long term, that would be easy, a bit easier to use. The only other big problem like this, like I said before, there's no case. They're keeping the box. The box goes patty. You have to throw the box, so the box goes patty. So you can rest it this way round as well, and that way round, both ways. But don't vibrate and shake around a lot, don't drop it. So should we leave it at that then? Okay, so we'll see you next time. Bye bye.